Because sometimes, in as much as using the fair value gaps, it will reduce your risk, increase your reward. But sometimes price doesn't actually need to come to the fair value gap, depending on
Yeah.
how much we are. And in this case, you can see we have the fair value gap here, another
Yeah.
fair value gap here. And the market didn't really have the momentum to mitigate those fair value gaps, and it only tapped the high
Yeah.
and rallied. So for me personally, how I got into this trade was all I did was literally the moment I saw this candle closure, I just placed my limit order on the high and I moved on. And then when I came back later, a few minutes later, because I had a very busy day on that day, I think it was on a Monday or Tuesday. So I came back later on and I saw this on the chart and I was like, oh, wait a minute, hope this trade actually took me in because sometimes some brokers will not take you in if the market just taps the entry like this. So,
Mm.
well, fortunately for me, when I opened my broker, I saw that I was in and it had literally zero drawdown on that trade. It just tapped the high and rallied. That is why it's important to still, as long as you know you're not going to have too much time to spend on the chart, it's better to use the high as your entry.
Yeah.
Unless you have a lot of time to stare at the chart, wait when it mitigates this area to now see if it's going to rally from here and break a smaller time frame break of structure.